I know everybody can't afford a gaming PC like these, which can run every game on this planet. Therefore, I have come up with this video where I will show you how to build a gaming PC in 20,000 rupees. Now starting things off with CPU, I have took a AMD Ryzen 3 2200G which has 4 cores, 4 threads, base clock of 3.2 GHz and turbo clock of 3.7 GHz. It has 6 MB cache, it supports AM4 socket and it also comes with Vega 8 graphics which can run your games at 60 FPS 1080p. It also contains a cooler from AMD which is sufficient to cool your CPU at high temperatures. It comes at a price of 8,299 rupees. Now, many of you would comment that you should take 3200G from AMD, but you would pay 1500 more than that of 2200G, and the performance would just be 2 to 3 FPS more than that of 2200G. So I would recommend just take the 2200G and get a SSD with that extra money, and which will run your OS at high speed. Now for the motherboard, I have gone with Asus Prime A320MK. It has AM4 socket and 2 slots of DDR4 memory. It also has a M.2 slot, HDMI port and 4 SATA ports. It also has 4 USB 3.0 ports. It consists of a PCI Express slot so that if you have enough money for a GPU, you can easily install it. Now for the RAM, I have gone with Crucial Basic 8 GB DDR4 memory. Its memory speed is 2666 MHz, its power consumption is 1.2 volts, and it is enough to run up to 95% of the games in the early 2021. Now for the storage, the best I could find was this HDD from Seagate. Its capacity is 500 gigabytes, its RPM is 5400 and it has 16 MB of cache. It can easily store your OS and also some AAA titles. The best bang for the buck PSU I could find was this PSU from Ant Esports. It has 500 watt capacity and it is good enough to power all the components mentioned in this. For the case, the Zebronics Bruno cabinet comes in handy. The first factor is that its cost is very low, and in this price range, it also supports the motherboard that I mentioned earlier. The total cost of this machine is 20,068 rupees. Now I will show you some benchmarks of some popular AAA titles on this machine.